didn't care. It's smacked, it's bent here. This whole piece inside was falling over, and they didn't bother to fix it. Here too, this corner is broken, and the gray comes up past the line. So these original prints, this is not, this is not masterpiece work, But we can do a little bit better with some of this, Absolutely. Not a very action-packed stream this morning, sorry. Whatever stuff I've got to get done. We've also, as part of publishing this, the prints are going to go in a little envelope, like I said, and there's the envelope, and on the outside of it, there's going to be a woodblock print stuck on the outside of the envelope. And it's going to have a title in Japanese. So I sent an email out to a bunch of the staff 2 or 3 days ago, asking them for suggestions on the title for this series. Because it has to be, it needs a label in the catalog, if nothing else. It needs a name and a title. And they sent back me dozens. But the funny thing, I sent an email to 5 or 6 of the staff members, and they each sent back 2, 3, 4, and each sent back 8 or 9, and there were no overlaps. Out of all the suggestions for the titles that came from all the different staff members, there was not one single overlap. So I think I've got it figured out, and what we're going to do, I'm not going to start this morning, but this is probably going to be the label that's going to go on the front of the package. It won't have the black border around it. It'll have a thin black border around it. And I've stolen a Kyosai design. We're going to print this just like you see here. And the current thinking is, we're going to print it on Gampi paper. So it'll get printed on a thin sheet of Gampi like this, and then pasted on the front of the envelope. So the set actually will be 11 prints. It'll be the 10 prints that go inside, and then it'll have the front cover print as well. And the cover for me, that'll be me. I don't dare have her carve that. That's too delicate. So whatever. Someone's asking Valentine's Day in Japan. I guess they do. It's sort of a bit of a weird thing. I don't know. Maybe in Corona they didn't do much. I didn't see much about it this year. February for us, it's a bunch of anniversaries. And my mother's birthday is coming up soon. I don't know if is my mother here this morning. She probably doesn't want to talk about birthdays anyway, so I think that's the deal with her. Oh, questions. What's this? Any chance you'll sell an uncut sheet? I had thought about it. I guess if somebody asks, we could do that. There wouldn't be any special packaging for it. I suppose so. No idea. In the catalog itself, it will be as a set of prints. The normal way of us putting this out into the world will be as a set of 10 in an envelope with the front cover. But if somebody wants uncut, like the stamp collectors, whatever, just ask us at that time. So. Uncut sheet like stamp collectors, absolutely. So it's me too. When I get to some of these, match label prints. Of course, there was an auction came up a couple of weeks ago. We talked about it. That was for a whole bunch of uncut match label prints, and I really, really, really wanted that. So yeah, I get the feeling. But the normal product that's going to go out into the world will be the split up sheet, the split up prints.